Okay, so today we're taking a look at the Soqool adjustable laptop stand. This does two main functions. Number one, keep your laptop cool. Number two, give you some ergonomic viewing. Did I say that right? Ergonomic viewing angles. So let's get straight into the unboxing. And low for low nose. Thanks for stopping by. All right, so let's get straight to the unboxing and see what you get inside the box. You get some tools here to loosen it up, as you'll see very soon. And of course, we have our laptop stand, and there goes the unboxing. Immediately, you'll see right here, you have your aluminum adjustable stand right here. It's got some good weight to it, so I really feel confident putting my 15-inch laptop on this, or maybe bigger laptops, knowing that's going to hold. Let's start from the bottom. You've got some rubber grommets right here on the bottom, so this is not slipping all over the place. As you can see right here, this is not going anywhere. You'd really have to try purposely to move it. You've also got some rubber grommets right here to keep your laptop from slipping off as well. Now you can also extend it, bring it up, and you're gonna see I'm kind of working for this. Bring it up like this, so you know that once your laptop is on, it's not going to be doing some kind of sneaky sinking or anything like that. And if it's too tight, or if you want to loosen up or make it even tighter, well, you want to make it tighter, you can use the tools to loosen up the parts right here on the side. So let's talk about the ergonomic viewing angles. Me personally, I like it a little lower. It doesn't have to be so high, but it's awesome if it's high. I can actually use it as a monitor, but I'm gonna bring it just low right here. I'm okay with that. It's still low enough for me, for my arms to feel comfortable. And plus I can still bring it up and it's working just fine right here. Now, if I want to, I can go higher. Bring it to the side and place it like this. And I don't even have to, if I want to type like this, I could type like this, or I can just set off to the side and put a mouse and keyboard. And like I said before, use it as a monitor and just kind of work with the convenience there. And of course, what I love is at the same time, my laptop is also staying super cool at the same time. It does it really well. Now let's do one more test. You can bring this up all the way. Let me show you to the side. We can make this vertical and bring this straight, but depending on your laptop or your tablet, it may lean over. So you can see right there. So you're either gonna have to give yourself some more angle to the front so it doesn't lean over, or just make sure you're not using a heavy laptop. But you're now getting a good sense of the weight, the resistance, and of course the weight to, I guess, base ratio on where it's gonna stand still and not tip over. But yeah, definitely use this for 17-inch laptops, to smaller laptops, to small tablets, to bigger tablets. This will definitely hold it just fine with no issues at all. All right, guys, that's the Soqool adjustable laptop stand. Really hope this video helped you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own laptop stand. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the cool videos and gadgets that are coming out. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.